In today's video, I am going to teach you how to buy books from Amazon.com. The process is simple, and once you do it one time, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you want to order another book. To begin, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Wait for the home page to load fully so you can clearly see the search bar at the top of the page. This search bar is where you will begin looking for the book you want to buy. Next, type the title of the book into the search bar. If you know the author, you can include that as well to help narrow the results. After that, press Enter or click the search icon. Amazon will show you a list of matching books. Take a moment to look through the results carefully so you can find the exact version you want. This is helpful because some books may have different editions, covers, or formats. Once you find the correct book, click on it to open the product page. This page gives you more details about the book, such as the title, author, price, and availability. It is a good idea to read this information carefully before moving forward, especially if you want to make sure you are buying the right edition. On the product page, choose the format you want. In many cases, you may see options such as Kindle, paperback, or hardcover. Kindle is the digital version, which you can read on a device or in the Kindle app. Paperback is usually lighter and less expensive, while hardcover is often more durable. Select the format that works best for your needs. After choosing the format, you can continue by clicking Buy Now or Add to Cart. Buy Now is usually faster if you are ready to complete the purchase immediately. Add to Cart is useful if you want to keep shopping and purchase multiple items together. If Amazon asks for your shipping address and payment information, enter those details carefully. Make sure everything is correct before you continue, since this helps avoid delays or problems with your order. Finally, review your order and click Place Order. Once you do that, your purchase will be submitted, and Amazon will begin processing it. If you bought a physical book, it will be shipped to your address. If you bought a Kindle book, it will usually be delivered digitally to your account. That covers everything you need to know.